Hello friends! In this video, I want to teach you how to verify your account on the Bitget Exchange. After registration, you enter your dashboard and click on Verify Now at the top. In the verification section, you click on this option. Here, you enter your country of residence. Additionally, you select your region and the type of document for which we chose the ID card. And if you would like to continue these steps using your mobile phone device, you can simply click on this option or on this other one at any point. In the next step, you need to carefully enter your first and last name in this section and then click on this option to proceed. Please note that in the next step, you must continue using your mobile phone as before. You simply click on this option and then carefully scan the specified barcode using your mobile phone's camera. Please remember, you must make sure to enable the camera access permission on your phone for this process to work smoothly. Friends, please note that it is necessary to use your phone's camera to upload a clear and legible photo of both the front and the back sides of your ID card, ensuring that all details are visible and readable. After entering your personal information and uploading your documents, your submitted documents will be carefully reviewed and you may receive the results within about an hour. And as you can see in this section, our account was verified in less than 5 minutes. Good luck.